Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to AutoGPT tutorials. If you've been on the hunt for the most groundbreaking LLM projects that are setting the tech world on fire, you're in the right place. Today, we're unveiling some of the hottest open-source LLM projects that have been making waves on GitHub. From Microsoft's innovations to Docker's latest AI stack, we've got a lineup that's sure to blow your mind. So, whether you're a developer, a tech junkie, or just someone curious about the future of AI, stick around because you won't want to miss this. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting updates. Let's dive right in. Project number 1, AutoGen. Starting off our list is a project by none other than Microsoft, known as AutoGen. Now, when we think of Microsoft, we often think of their vast array of software products, but they're also making significant strides in the world of AI and machine learning. AutoGen stands out as a testament to Microsoft's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the AI domain. It's an open-source project that focuses on automating the generation of code. Imagine the countless hours developers spend writing and debugging code. AutoGen aims to simplify that process, making it more efficient and error-free. But how does it do this? AutoGen leverages the power of machine learning models to understand coding patterns and generate code snippets based on the developer's requirements. It's like having an AI-powered assistant that can write code for you. This not only speeds up the development process, but also ensures that the generated code is of high quality and adheres to best practices. For developers, this is a game changer. It means less time spent on mundane coding tasks and more time focusing on complex problem-solving and innovation. If you're a developer looking to enhance your workflow, AutoGen is definitely worth checking out. Project number 2, CogVLM. Next up, we have CogVLM by ThuDM. Now, this is a project that's been gaining a lot of traction in the AI community, and for good reason. CogVLM stands for Cognitive Visual Language Model. At its core, it's designed to understand and generate content that combines both visual and textual information. In today's digital age, where visuals play a crucial role in communication, having a model that can seamlessly integrate text and images is invaluable. What sets CogVLM apart is its ability to perform a wide range of tasks, from image captioning and text-to-image generation to visual question answering. It's like having a supercharged AI that not only understands text, but can also see and interpret images. For content creators, marketers, and developers, CogVLM offers endless possibilities. Imagine being able to generate captivating visuals based on a text description or having an AI that can answer questions based on an image. The applications are vast, and the potential is enormous. ThuDM has truly outdone themselves with CogVLM, and it's a project that's set to redefine how we think of visual and textual AI models. Project number 3, LLaVA by AutoGen Liu. Transitioning to our next project, we have LLaVA by AutoGen Liu. The world of AI is vast, and every now and then, a project emerges that truly captures the essence of innovation, and LLaVA is one such project. LLaVA, which stands for Large Language Vision Audio Model, is a multimodal AI model. Now, what does multimodal mean? In the simplest terms, it refers to a model that can understand and generate content across multiple modes or types of data, be it text, images, or audio. LLaVA is designed to seamlessly integrate these different data types, making it a powerhouse in the AI domain. The real beauty of LLaVA lies in its versatility. Whether you're looking to generate descriptive audio based on text and images, or aiming to create visual content based on textual descriptions, LLaVA has got you covered. For developers and content creators, this means a more streamlined process with the ability to create richer, more immersive content. In a world where content is king, having a tool like LLaVA can be a game changer. It simplifies the content creation process, ensuring that the end product is not only high quality, but also engaging and captivating for the audience. Project number 4, Streaming LLM. Next on our list is Streaming LLM by MIT HonLab. When we think of MIT, we think of cutting-edge research and groundbreaking innovations, and Streaming LLM is a testament to that legacy. Streaming LLM, or Streaming Large Language Model, is designed to tackle one of the most pressing challenges in the AI domain: real-time processing. In today's fast-paced digital world, the ability to process and generate content in real time is crucial, and that's where Streaming LLM shines. Unlike traditional models that process data in batches, Streaming LLM operates in a streaming fashion, processing data as it comes in. This ensures faster response times and a more efficient processing mechanism. For developers, this means being able to integrate AI capabilities into real-time applications, be it chatbots, virtual assistants, or any other interactive platform. But it's not just about speed. Streaming LLM also ensures that the quality of the generated content is top-notch, adhering to the high standards set by MIT HonLab. For those looking to integrate real-time AI capabilities into their projects, Streaming LLM is a must-try. Project number 5, LeptonAI. Moving forward, we have an intriguing project named LeptonAI. In the ever-evolving realm of AI, LeptonAI stands out as a beacon of innovation and practicality. LeptonAI is a comprehensive platform designed to simplify the AI development process. One of the primary challenges faced by developers and businesses alike is the complexity associated with integrating AI into their workflows. LeptonAI aims to bridge this gap by providing a user-friendly interface combined with powerful AI capabilities. What sets LeptonAI apart is its modular approach. Users can pick and choose from a variety of pre-trained models, customize them according to their needs, and deploy them with ease. This flexibility ensures that regardless of the project's scale or complexity, LeptonAI has the tools and resources to make AI integration seamless. Moreover, LeptonAI emphasizes collaboration. Developers can share their custom models with the community, fostering a collaborative environment where innovation thrives. In essence, LeptonAI is not just a tool, it's a community-driven platform that pushes the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Project number 6, Docker's GenAI Stack. Last, but certainly not least, we have GenAI Stack by Docker. Docker, a name synonymous with containerization, brings forth a project that is set to revolutionize the way we think about AI infrastructure. GenAI Stack is a comprehensive AI stack designed to be used with Docker. For those unfamiliar, Docker allows developers to package applications into containers, ensuring consistency across different environments. GenAI Stack leverages this technology to provide a robust, scalable, and efficient AI infrastructure. The beauty of GenAI Stack lies in its simplicity. Developers no longer need to worry about compatibility issues or hardware constraints. With GenAI Stack, you get a pre-configured environment tailored for AI development. Whether you're training a complex neural network or deploying a machine learning model, GenAI Stack ensures that the process is smooth and hassle-free. Furthermore, GenAI Stack is built with scalability in mind. As your project grows, GenAI Stack grows with it, ensuring that you always have the resources you need. In a nutshell, Docker's GenAI Stack is a testament to the company's commitment to simplifying and enhancing the AI development process. Conclusion. As we wrap up today's deep dive into these top-trending LLM projects, it's evident that the world of AI and machine learning is continuously evolving, bringing forth innovations that are not only groundbreaking, but also user-friendly. These projects are a testament to the incredible strides being made in the field, making AI more accessible and efficient for developers and businesses alike. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest and greatest in LLM projects. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to AutoGPT tutorials for more insights into the dynamic world of AI. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Drop your thoughts or any questions in the comments below, and we'll be sure to engage with you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and let's shape the future of AI together.